Thank you for choosing our Patio Heat channel. I'm Steve. We provide tips and information to extend the enjoyment of your patio project. Our videos give you a knowledgeable overview prior to investing in your outdoor heating equipment. Whether you are a professional or owner-builder, we provide specific details for optimum heat coverage for your application. Post a comment or question, or for developed visual designs, send your request into designs@patioheat.com. We're here to work with you. For over 30 years, patio heating is the bedrock of our business, expressing what works best. Now let's get heating. Okay, so today we have this little gazebo here. This is a pre-manufactured gazebo, and let's go right into the overall dimensions. So overall dimensions I have here is about 14 foot 8 1/4 by about 10 feet 10 1/2 outer edge to outer edge. I have a height here of the rooftop here at I think it's 7 foot 11 1/2, and then the top section over here I have at 10 foot 3 1/2, and this section here is approximately about 4 feet length here. All right, so pretty much there's only one way that I could really see to heat this area properly, and there's going to be one kind of a questionable item, and that is that I'm assuming this is all aluminum and non-combustible steel. So let's go ahead and look at what I might do if that's the case. If it is combustible, things are going to have to change slightly, but let's go ahead and look at what I might do. So what I have here is 2 of the SlimLine 4000 watt units. Now what I have mounted them on is I mounted them on this vertical surface here. Now on a vertical surface, the bracket has a bracket or a component on the bracket that only allows for a 45-degree tilt down, so from straight out 45 degrees. Now what I've done is 60 degrees so that it's physically straight down 30 degrees up. You would have to cut out some of the notch to allow that full 30 degrees, otherwise it hits right here. There's a little bracket that comes out. Let me just go ahead and kind of draw what it would look like. Something like this here, and just comes out maybe a 1/2 inch. Let's change that again. Sorry about that. And we'll go here. So it comes out something like this. So you'd have to, notch this off here so that you're allowed to get that 30-degree tilt. It's designed for a 45 or 30 from straight down, I believe. So in any case, you'd have to cut that out in order to make this operational. All right, let's just go right into the footprint of heat, and at that 30-degree tilt, you can see that we are heating up this entire space fairly decently. We have a nice overlapping here in the center, so if you were to be sitting here, it'd be nice to have both units on in order to get that full amount of heat from both sides. Also, sitting right here, below the heater, it would be nice to have that ray penetrating you. The reason I'm mentioning that is, again, going back into that 45-degree tilt, I'm going to go ahead and change this angle by 15 degrees real quick, just so you can see what it truly would look like if it was at the 45-degree level that the brackets allow for. And you can see here, yes, it's okay, but I would have to say that, if you're sitting back here just, slightly, that would be probably outside of the ray itself. Let's just move him back as well. And I just want you to kind of see that, if you're not in that ray, then you're not going to feel the warmth of the heater. So this is infrared light waves. Infrared light waves heat up mass. They do not heat the air. So the air temperature, whatever the air temperature is, let's say it's 55 degrees outside, 60 degrees outside, you're not going to feel any warmth of the air. You're going to only feel the comfort of the actual output of the heater. So let's go back to that 30-degree tilt. So I'm going to change this back again to that 15-degree drop. So now we're at 30 degrees on each angle, and you can see now we're really, and even with me pushing that chair back, we're really within that realm of heat. So all right, well, I hope this, oh, and one other thing I should mention is I do have these centered within this span here of the shorter part of the structure itself. All right, I think that's about it. If you find this video useful, please tap that like button. And if you're looking for some assistance with your outdoor heating application, you'd like us to review your plans, send your information into designs@patioheat.com. I'm Steve. And please tap that like button. It really does help our channel. Other people find our channel based on you and others tapping that like button. And if you'd like to subscribe, please do so. We appreciate that as well. Thank you very much. Have an excellent day.